whether you like it or not, this is the question that every interviewer is essentially trying to answer when you enter the interview room. Because वो तुमसे पूछे कि नहीं पूछे, उसके दिमाग में question वही है. So why should we select you? So when you ask this question, what kind of answer are you expecting, and hence what should the student do? What kind of answer should he try to frame for this?
So let me go straight away to the answer of the question. What we are looking for as interview panelists. Now, I'm taking two different situations. One is that we are recruiting you into a college. The second is we are recruiting you into a job. In both the cases, the number one question or doubt in our minds is, will you be able to add value to the college or the course or the job? Now, if I were a recruiter at a college, my biggest fear as a person who's selecting you as a student is A, will you be able to cope up with the course? Do you have the skills necessary? Will you be able to benefit from the course? Of course, we don't want you struggling in the course. So one of the things about all these academic questions and all that is, will you be able to sustain the rigor of the course? As a corporate, what am I actually looking out for? See, corporate has got challenges in the marketplace, right? There are sales challenges, there are finance challenges, there are marketing challenges, there are operational challenges. Now, what we are looking out for is, can you, using your skill set, add value to the business so that these challenges can be addressed? The second question, as a college, what am I trying to figure out? A, are you a good student? Have you been a good student in the past? Will you be able to handle the academic load that is there as part of the course, especially in all the good IIMs? And we just want to make sure that you are sincere and committed and you don't cause trouble to the college. I guess these are the two answers to the question.